After 7 years of being together and more than 2 years of preparation, delays because of COVID plus Taal, we're already here standing in front of each other, saying our vows in the eyes of our good Lord and surrounded by our loved ones, our family and friends.
Marby, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Yes, Father.
Who would have thought that attending Joan's birthday party last 2013 would lead me to you? From acquaintance to friends turned lovers, my fiancé, and now my husband. Thank you for being the best father that you can. Kahit mahirap, alam ko lahat ginagawa mo. Ginagawa mo lahat para ibigay sa amin. Kahit nahirapan ka, kahit hindi tayo, kahit nasa Batangas ka, basta kinailangan ko, nandiyan ka for me. So, thank you. I love you so much. One of the things I love and admire about you is your love for your family. You are the most selfless person I know, especially when it comes to your loved ones. Alam ko na kahit ano, basta kaya mo, gagawan mo ng paraan na mabigay yung best mo for them. Kaya I know you'll be a great husband, a great provider, and someday, a great father to our future kids. I know that you'll take good care of me kasi how you treat your mom is a reflection kung paano ka as a partner. Our relationship was never easy. Sobrang daming challenges na nangyari. Start pa lang, may mga pagsubok agad, pero alam mo kung ano yung pinanghawakan ko nung times na mahirap. Yung sinabi mo sa akin na kahit anong mangyari, gusto natin masaya lang tayo palagi and walang mag-give up.
Being in love with you and choosing you, those are the best decisions I made in my life.
Love, you are my answered prayer, and I will do my very best to take good care of you and to protect our marriage. I know you will do the same thing too because that's what partners are for. I vow to love you without hesitations, kahit dumating yung time na mahirap kang mahalin. I will always choose you over and over again, till we grow old and until the end of time. I love you very much, love, always and always.
I knew you were the one when we became a couple, like what you have mentioned earlier. The challenges na dinaanan natin through those 7 years, iba. ibang-iba. So you would always ask me, di ba, what made me decide to ask me to marry you? And I always answered, simple lang, because I love you. Because yun yung totoo. I mean, I do appreciate all the things that you have done for me sa family ko. But that's it. Sobrang mahal lang kita. Kaya kita niyayap. I cannot imagine life without you. I love you so much. So, and lastly, sabi nga ng bagong kanta ng BTS and Coldplay, You are my universe and I just want to put you first. You are my universe and